Welcome back to the channel. So today's video is on this Greenmade tray that has 4 storage units. We can use it for tools. You can use it for anything, any small items that you might have scattered everywhere. This actually helps with getting everything organized. I'm planning on using it for my small tools or things like screws and screwdrivers and whatnot. So let's open it up and see how it's going to save us on everything.
You know I don't play right. Just give me the word. You know I don't play right. Don't give me this. I'm gonna get back when I feel like. You know I don't play right. I'll put up a good fight. Just give me the word. You know I don't play right. You know I don't play right. Don't give me this. I'm gonna get back when I feel like.
So you can split it as you wish. I have my nails, screws, in cases, in zip ties or zip locks, and other tools, naked screws, and I can label it as I wish. So it's a good thing to have. If you want it, you'll find the link in the description where you can buy it. So this is a great addition to the work desk over here. So I'll just kind of clean it up and move it to that side. It's gonna be easy when I'm working. I can just get my screws and my tools all in one place, or all of them organized.
Don't give me this.
If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. Thank you for tuning in, and see you on the next one.
You know I don't play right. I'll put up a